How to remove keyboard sound on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove keyboard sound on Android phone. First, then open your keyboard and then just click these 3 points here and then click settings, and now just click sound and vibration, and here you will find key sound settings. Now all you need to do, if you want to disable it, just disable this one here, and now keyboard sound have been removed. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to remove keyboard sound. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.